What if you could generate high-quality, click-worthy thumbnails in seconds? In this video, we'll use AI to create pro-level thumbnails that look like they were made by a designer. Let's jump in. For our first thumbnail, we're creating a stunning AI tech design, perfect for videos covering major AI advancements. We'll go all in with a futuristic AI-generated face, glowing neon effects, and a bold, cinematic composition that instantly grabs attention. We'll select 16:9 as the aspect ratio and choose the realistic effect for maximum detail. Now let's generate. We'll scan through the results, pick the sharpest image with the best AI details, and save it instantly. That came out amazing. The futuristic glow and facial details really make this stand out. Now let's switch gears and design a high-energy finance thumbnail. A finance thumbnail that screams success, but with a bold, cinematic twist. Instead of a generic businessman, we'll focus on intense lighting, dramatic angles, and engaging composition. We'll go with general effect to balance realism and artistic impact. After generating, we'll select the most dynamic image, where the lighting and composition feel cinematic and professional. The energy and dramatic lighting make it feel like a big financial move is happening. Now let's create something even more intense, an action-packed gaming thumbnail. Gaming thumbnails need to scream action and adrenaline. Instead of a plain screenshot, we're going for cinematic depth, rich colors, and intense motion. We'll keep the same aspect ratio, but switch to 3D effect for a deeper, high-impact look. Once generated, we'll choose the sharpest, most action-packed frame and lock it in. Now that looks like a real AAA gaming thumbnail. Explosions, motion, and detail, all the right ingredients. Let's switch to something made for shorts and reels. For shorts, we need something loud, attention-grabbing, and ultra-expressive. Instead of a basic close-up, we'll use bold emotions, dynamic backgrounds, and high-contrast details. We'll use 9:16 as the aspect ratio and select design effect for a sharp, engaging look. After generating, we'll pick the most expressive and eye-catching version and save it. That's exactly the kind of energy needed for viral shorts. Now let's push the limits of AI creativity with a jaw-dropping, futuristic car thumbnail. For our final design, we're creating a stunning AI-powered supercar thumbnail, something straight out of a sci-fi movie poster. We'll use a 16:9 aspect ratio and 3D effect to maximize depth. Now let's drop in the detailed prompt. After generating, we'll pick the most cinematic high-detail image where the car looks sharp and futuristic. This one's next-level AI-generated art. The neon glow, the reflections, and the floating energy effects make it look like a sci-fi blockbuster poster that you can also use as your YouTube thumbnail for a YouTube channel in the niche of luxury cars. This same process was used to create the thumbnail for this video too. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which AI tool you want to see next. See you in the next one.